How to invite friends in Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily invite your friends, practice together in Duolingo. First of all, launch the Duolingo app on your phone or tablet and make sure you're logged in. From the home screen of Duolingo, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Now click the profile button and now go ahead and tap on the Add Friends option inside profile. From here, you can go ahead and invite your friend by tapping on Share Follow link. You will be able to see your information along with a QR code in the pop-up box. Go ahead and let your friend scan this QR code and you'll be able to add them in Duolingo. Apart from Share Follow link, you can also choose a friend you want to invite from your contact list or search by their username. If you want to let Duolingo to access your contact to find friends already using the app, tap on Choose from Contact, and once your contacts are synced, you'll be able to see the friend suggestions that already uses Duolingo from your contact list. Simply find one of the contacts and tap on them to get connected with them inside Duolingo. Now, if you want to search for a username, tap on Search by Name and type in the username of your friend. After making a search from the search results, go ahead and tap on the plus button with a human icon in it to send them the request. Once they accept your request, you'll be able to connect with each other on Duolingo. So that way you can invite friends on Duolingo in just a few simple steps. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.